Japan is one of the countries that is also located in the Pacific Ring of Fire. It is no wonder that there are so many active volcanoes that you can find in the land of the rising sun. Speaking of volcanoes, it turns out that there is an island in Japan whose inhabitants live side by side with a volcano, namely Aogashima Island, which can be categorized as one of the most extreme islands to live in. Aogashima is a volcanic island that has an area of about 8.75 square kilometers. So, actually Aogashima is a mountain that is still active. Although the distance from Tokyo is about 358 kilometers, Aogashima is part of the Tokyo area and is administratively under the Tokyo Prefecture government. Aogashima Island is formed by four overlapping calders. That is, inside the caldera, there is another caldera. When viewed from above, the shape of Aogashima Island resembles a large bowl surrounded by high, steep cliffs. The mountain on this island last erupted in 1785. At that time, the eruption killed around 140 of the 375 residents who inhabited Aogashima Island. Although the mountain on Aogashima Island is a Class C volcano, the mountain still needs to be watched out for because it could erupt at any time. However, the residents of Aogashima Island live peacefully on the remote island, which only has one post office, one elementary school, and one high school. In fact, most of the residents live on the walls of the island. Generally, they live from farming, although there are also some residents who are government employees. Actually, they already know the story about the terrible eruption of Mount Aogashima. However, they still persist in living on the island. According to them, the eruption happened a long time ago. It was more than 230 years ago. So, why think about the bad things that will happen? They think that it is better to focus on the work of cultivating the very fertile land due to the volcanic eruption. In addition to being fertile, Aogashima also has very beautiful scenery. Not only that, on Aogashima Island, there are also many choices of exciting activities for tourists, from stargazing at night to nature tourism. You can climb in Maruyama and see the view of flowers, trees, and wildlife. In fact, this island also provides small and simple accommodation for tourists. For those interested in visiting the island, the only way is from Hachijuyama, a larger island 70 kilometers north of Aogashima. Hachijuyama has an airport, so you can get to Aogashima by air using a helicopter. However, you must make a reservation in advance if you want to use a helicopter. Meanwhile, if you decide to take a boat, the travel time will be longer, which is 14 hours. If there is bad weather and big waves, transportation to Aogashima will be temporarily suspended.